नमस्कार, मूवी एज्युकेशन चॅनल मध्ये तुमचे हार्दिक स्वागत आहे. टुडे we learn
Hey
the
there.
equations.
Subscribe to my channel.
An equation.
And also press this bell icon.
Chapter number 10. First we explain or discuss about the equation. What is the equation? You already learned this chapter. We today practice, know about the equation and also try to solve the practice set number 26 and 27. Okay. First, see here. I try to explain you what is the equation. There are 4 major operations in maths. What are they? Plus, minus or subtraction, multiplication and divide. There are total 4 operations in maths. See here, this is the page number of equation of your book Maths. Here is the definition. They may be result of a different operations on the left and right hand sides. Such expression of equality is called an equation. Students, first of all, see, this is a picture of weighting scale. Okay, this is a left hand side and this is a right hand side. What we see in this picture, the both sides are equal. Why? Because they are balanced. If we put something in right hand side, then right hand side goes down and left hand side goes up. Why? Because when we put something in right hand side, there is a misbalance, because right hand side have a extra weight as compared to left hand side. But in equation, equal or equality is important. This is the sign of equality, or this is an equal sign. Suppose we take an example. We have to find out 20 as an answer of operations. Here I write some operations. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 30 minus 10 is equal to 20, or 10 into 2 is equal to 20, or 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. Also 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Now in these 4 or 5 examples, we see the answer of each operation is 20. And when we write this operation in such a way, when the left hand and right hand is balanced. Please try to listen carefully. I write here 10 into 2 as a left side. This is a left side. And here 30 minus 10. See, students, this is the right side. Okay. When we carry out the operations of both sides, we get answer as a 20 is equal to 20. Means both sides are equal, same. This is a sign of equality. Means left side and right side both are equal, such an expression is called an equation. This is an expression is called an equation. म्हणजे इथं जे 10 गुणिले 2 बरोबर 30 वजा 10 लिहिले ना, याच समीकरणाला इंग्रजीमध्ये इक्वेशन असं म्हणतात. 10 into 2 is equal to 30 minus 10. This expression is called an equation. Here another example is given already in our book. 70 minus 2 is equal to 5 into 3. When we carry out these both operations, we get answer as a 50 to left hand side and 50 to right hand side. Means both sides are equal, and when both sides are equal, such expression like this, such expression is called equation. Such expression is called equation. This is a definition of equation. If there are equal weights in both pans of weighting scale, then the scale is called a balanced scale, and such a balanced scale is like an equation. Why? Because both sides of equation have same answers, and hence left hand side and both hand side both have same answers, hence they called balanced equation or balanced weight. This is a definition of equation. Again, see here, in maths there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. I write here 5 or 4 examples of each operation, but when we carry out the all examples, we get 20 as an answer. And when we write within these 5 examples, I take here 2 examples, 10 plus 2 as a left side and right side 30 minus 10. When we carry out the both sides, we get 20 as an answer to both sides. And such a equation, when we carry out the operations and when we get both sides as equal, such equation is called such expression is called an equation. अशा समीकरणाला की ज्याचं उजवी बाजू आणि डावी बाजू दोन्ही सोडवली असता समान उत्तर येतं दोन्ही बाजूला, अशा समीकरणाला इक्वेशन असं म्हणतात. ओके, नाउ वी ट्राय टू सॉल्व द प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 27. सी, I read the question. Different mathematical operations are given in 2 rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation and make equations. Means first we have to carry out the all operations, and with same answers, with the help of these same answer we can make equations. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला ही सगळी उदाहरणं सोडवून त्यांची उत्तरं काढली पाहिजेत, मगच आपल्याला सेम उत्तरं दोन्ही बाजूला असलेली ही ऑपरेशन्स घेतली की आपल्याला इक्वेशन बनवता येईल. Why we do that? Because we have to make an equation, and for equation we have same answers to left side and both side, and for that first we have to solve the all operations. Okay, 16 divided by 2 we get 8 as an answer. 5 into 2 we get 10 as an answer. 9 plus 4 we get 13 as an answer. 72 divided by 3 we get 24 as an answer. 5 plus 4 plus 5 we get 9 as an answer. 6 plus 7 13. 37 minus 27 we get 10 as an answer. 10 minus 2 8. 19 minus 10 9, and 8 into 3 24. Now we solve the. आता मी हे का सगळं सोडवलं, कारण आपल्याला समीकरण सोडवल्यानंतर डाव्या बाजूला आणि उजव्या बाजूला दोन्हीकडे समान उत्तर असेल तरच ते इक्वेशन म्हटलं जातं. मग आपल्याला इथे इक्वेशन तयार करायला सांगितलंय. मग इक्वेशन तयार करताना लेफ्ट साइडचा आन्सर आणि राइट साइडचा आन्सर सेम असणं गरजेचं आहे, तरच त्याला इक्वेशन म्हणायचं. वाय? बिकॉज बॅलन्स इज द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इक्वेशन. दोन्हीकडे समान असणं हे वैशिष्ट्य आहे इक्वेशनचं. म्हणून हा प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवण्यासाठी असं जर प्रश्न आला, इफ यू फाइंड आउट सेम क्वेश्चन इन युअर क्वेश्चन पेपर, first we have to find out the answers of all operations, and when we put the same answers to left and right hand sides, then we make an equations. See here, this operation and this operation have same answer 8. Then we put one operation to left side and one operation to right side, and when we make, and this way we make an equation. 16 divided by 2 as a left side, and then 10 minus 2 as a right side. This is the first equation. Then second equation, see here, 5 into 2 as a 10 answer. We have to find out the same answer. See here 10 means 5 into 2 is equal to 37 minus 27. This is another equation. Third equation, 13. Here also 13 means third equation, 9 plus 4 as a left side is equal to 6 plus 7 as a right side. Fourth equation, 24. Here 24 means 72 divided by 3 as a left side, and 8 into 3 as a right side. Then fifth, see here, 9 and 9 means 5 plus 4 plus 5 as a left side, and 19 minus 10 as a right side. Now sixth, sorry, 4 equations are there, sorry, 5 equations are there, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 operations are given in practice set number 26. Hence we write 5 equations. See here, such an equation is balanced equation, and when we make 5 equations from these 10 operations. मुलांना आपण 5 इथं इक्वेशन्स बनवलेत. आता ही 5 इक्वेशन्स कशी बनवली, तर इक्वेशन बनवण्यासाठी आपल्याला डावी बाजू आणि उजवी बाजू समान लागते. म्हणून मी प्रथम काय केलं, ही सगळी उदाहरणं सोडवली. सोडवल्यानंतर त्यांची उत्तरं बघितली, आणि सेम उत्तरं असतील 30 ऑपरेशन्स एक लेफ्ट साईडला आणि एक राईट साईडला लिहिलं, आणि समीकरण तयार झालं. आता इथं पहा, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 10 minus 2. When we solve the both sides, we get 8 is equal to 8. Means both sides are equal. Means when both sides are equal, such an expression is called an equation. In this way, we solve the practice set number 26. All of you understand that, or I will explain again. मुलांनो, डावी बाजू आणि उजवी बाजू सोडवल्यानंतर जर समान उत्तर मिळालं तर त्याला इक्वेशन असं म्हणतात, कारण बॅलन्स्ड पाहिजे. जर समजा ह्याचं उत्तर, डाव्या बाजूचं उत्तर जर वेगळं आलं आणि उजव्या बाजूचं उत्तर जर वेगळं आलं, दोन्ही उत्तरं जर समान आली नाहीत तर ते इक्वेशन होऊ शकत नाही. कारण याच्यामध्ये बघा, आपण इक्वलचं साईन लिहिलंय, आणि इक्वलचा अर्थ काय, तर लेफ्ट साईड अँड राईट साईड बोथ आर सेम असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. म्हणून आपण जेव्हा लेफ्ट साईडचं इक्वेशन सोडवतो, सॉरी ऑपरेशन सोडवतो, आणि राईट साईडचं ऑपरेशन सोडवतो, तेव्हा आपल्याला उत्तर समान आलं पाहिजे. म्हणून मी हा प्रश्न सोडवताना प्रथम सगळे ऑपरेशन सोडवून घेतले, आणि मग सेम आन्सर्सचे ऑपरेशन्स एक लेफ्ट साईडला एक राईट साईडला सोडवून मी इक्वेशन बनवले. अशा पद्धतीने आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 26 सोडवला. इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय ते समजून घेतलं. इक्वेशन म्हणजे एवढं सोपं आहे, लक्षात घ्या मुलांनो, की लेफ्ट साईड आणि राईट साईड ही फक्त समान पाहिजे. गणितामध्ये 4 क्रिया आहेत, बेरीज, वजाबाकी, गुणाकार, भागाकार. या 4 क्रियांचं उत्तर जर सेम येत असेल आणि एक डाव्या बाजूला आणि एक उजव्या बाजूला लिहिलं असेल तर त्याला आपण इक्वेशन म्हणू शकतो. हेच मी आता इंग्रजी सांगतो बघा. वी हॅव 4 ऑपरेशन्स इन मॅथ्स: ॲडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड डिवाइड. When such type of operations gives us same answer, and when we put one to left side and when we put 1 to right side and we find the same answers to both sides, then such an expression is called equation. ओके, आता आपण पुढे जाऊया. पहा इथं सोल्युशन ऑफ एन इक्वेशन. जसं आता आपण मगाशी इक्वेशन कसं बनवायचं हे शिकलो, आता इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन कसं काढायचं हे शिकणार आहोत. प्रथम आपण इथं इक्वेशन सोडवण्यासाठी आपल्याला इक्वेशन बनतं कसं हे शिकावं लागेल. फॉर हाऊ टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट हाऊ वी मेक एन इक्वेशन फ्रॉम गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन. दिलेल्या माहितीवरून इक्वेशन कसं बनवायचं हे पहिलं आपण शिकूया. सी हियर is the title, the solution of an equation. In this picture and in this picture we compare both pictures and we learn the use of letter for a number. म्हणजेच अंकांच्या ऐवजी अक्षरांचा वापर कसा करायचा आणि इक्वेशन बनवायचं ते इथं आपण शिकणार आहोत. See here, this is a school, this is a house, and this is a shop. The given distance between shop and house is 190 meter and the distance between school and house is 300 meter, and we have to find out the distance between school and shop. For that we have to make an equation. What we find out? We have to find out the distance between school and shop. For that we use letter, means we have to find out the distance. आपल्याला डिस्टन्स शोधून काढायचा आहे त्या दोन्हीच्या मधला, आणि जे शोधून काढायचं आहे त्याच्याबद्दल अक्षर वापरायचं हे लक्षात घ्या. Remember, when we read an word problem, first we have to understand the information given in the word problem and then we have to understand what we have to find out, and for that we use letter. Here in this example we have to find out the distance between school and shop, and for that we use letter X. Letter X. See here, this is a school, this is a shop, and this is a house. This is a given distance between shop and house, and we have to find out the distance between school and shop. For that we have to subtract the distance of shop and house from the distance school to house, and for that we have to write an equation with the help of X. Means opposite, when we add the distance between school and the distance between school and shop and the distance between shop and house, we get the total distance. Means we give letter X to the distance between school and shop. आपण काय केलं, आपल्याला काय केलंय, शॉप आणि हाऊसच्या मधलं अंतर दिलंय आणि इकडे स्कूल आणि शॉपच्या मधलं अंतर शोधायला सांगितलंय आणि आपल्याला टोटल अंतर पण दिलंय फ्रॉम स्कूल टू हाऊस. द गिवन आन्सर इज 300 मीटर, द टोटल डिस्टन्स बिटवीन स्कूल अँड हाऊस. मग याची बेरीज आणि या दोन्हीची बेरीज केली की आपल्याला ते मिळणार. अँड वी यूज लेटर एक्स फॉर डिस्टन्स बिटवीन स्कूल अँड शॉप. मीन्स एक्स प्लस 190 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 300 मीटर. दिस इज अन कॉल्ड इक्वेशन. बघा आता आपण इक्वेशन तयार केलं. इक्वेशन तयार करायसाठी आपण पहिल्यांदा इथली माहिती समजून घेतली. आपल्याला काढायला सांगितलं होतं डिस्टन्स बिटवीन स्कूल अँड शॉप, त्यातलं अंतर काढायला सांगितलेलं होतं आणि टोटल अंतर आपल्याला दिलेलं होतं. मग टोटल अंतर किती आहे तर 300 मीटर. व्हेन वी ॲड दीज बोथ डिस्टन्स वी गेट द टोटल डिस्टन्स, and for that x plus 190 meter we use the letter x for the distance between school and shop. Hence x plus 190 meter is equal to 300. This is called an equation. We use letter x for an a number, this x is called variable. This x is called variable. मराठीमध्ये याला चल असं म्हणतात, इंग्रजीमध्ये याला व्हेरिएबल असं म्हणतात. आपण काय केलं, या दोन्हीचं आपल्याला डिस्टन्स दिलेलं नव्हतं, फक्त हे डिस्टन्स आपल्याला शोधायचं होतं आणि हे दिलेलं होतं. टोटल डिस्टन्स 300 मीटर. मग या दोन्हीची बेरीज केली. when we add these both distances we get the total distance. Hence we write letter x as the distance between school and shop. Addition 190 meter is equal to 300 meter. This type of expression is called equation. दिलेल्या माहितीवरून आपण काय तयार केलं, इक्वेशन केलं, कारण या दोघांची बेरीज केली तर हे मिळणार. मग एक अंतर आपल्याला शोधायला सांगितलं होतं, त्याच्याऐवजी आपण हे अक्षर वापरलेलं आहे, म्हणून ते अक्षर अधिक दुसरं अंतर बरोबर टोटल अंतर. अशा पद्धतीनं दिलेली माहिती नीट वाचून त्याच्यावरती आपण हे ॲडिशनचं ऑपरेशन यूज करून विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द ऑपरेशन ऑफ ॲडिशन वी मेक अन इक्वेशन. नाउ वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट how we try to solve get the answer of this equation, and the answer of this equation is called solution of the equation. आपण जेव्हा हे इक्वेशन सोडवतो तेव्हा आपल्याला जे उत्तर मिळतं त्याला त्या इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन असं म्हणतात. when we find out the answer of that equation, this answer is called solution of an equation. Here the distance between school and shop is already given. 110 meter is the distance between school and shop. 110 meter is the solution of this equation. 110 meter is the solution of this equation. Okay, मुलांनो, जेव्हा आपण इक्वेशन सोडवतो जे आपल्याला उत्तर मिळतं त्या उत्तराला त्या इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन असं म्हणतात. आणि आपण माहिती वाचली तर दोन्हीची बेरीज केल्यावर आपल्याला टोटल अंतर मिळणार होतं, म्हणून एका अंतराला आपण लेटर वापरलं ते एक्स लेटर आणि दुसरं अंतर यांची बेरीज 300 असं आपण जेव्हा लिहितो तेव्हा त्याला एक्सप्रेशन, त्या एक्सप्रेशनला सोल्युशन इक्वेशन असं म्हणतात. आणि आपण जेव्हा ते इक्वेशन सोडवतो तेव्हा जे आपल्याला उत्तर मिळतं त्या उत्तराला सोल्युशन ऑफ दॅट इक्वेशन असं म्हणतात. पहा, आपण पुढे जाऊया. आता इथं पहा, इथं आपण इन दिस पेज वी लर्न हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द सोल्युशन ऑफ एन इक्वेशन. सी, इन दिस पेज we have to given this equation x plus 3 is equal to 7. X plus 3 is equal to 7. We have to find out the solution of this equation. Means the value of a variable. त्या व्हेरिएबलची म्हणजे चलाची, आणि इथं व्हेरिएबल कोण आहे तर x आहे, त्या लेटरला त्या अक्षराला व्हेरिएबल असं म्हणतात. आणि त्या व्हेरिएबलचं मूल्य मीन्स व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल is called the solution of an equation. त्या अक्षराची किंमत म्हणजेच त्या समीकरणाचं उत्तर असं असतं. and how we find out the answer of that equation? Just to take an opposite number of a right side or left side. First we take the opposite number of left side. Why? Because x plus 3 चलामध्ये जे अंक मिळवलेला असतो त्या अंकाच्या उलटा अंक किंवा तिथं जी क्रिया दिलेली असते त्याची विरुद्ध क्रिया घ्यायची. पहा, इथं आता आपल्याला काय दिलंय, x plus 3 मीन्स x ॲडिशन 3, आणि ॲडिशनचे ऑपोजिट सबट्रॅक्शन ही ऑपरेशन आहे. मीन्स वी हॅव टू टेक अन ऑपोजिट नंबर अँड ऑपोजिट ऑपरेशन फॉर द सॉल्विंग ऑफ इक्वेशन. x plus 3 is equal to 7. We have to take -3 or subtract 3 from both sides. मी दोन्ही बाजूला -3 करतोय पहा, कारण इथं +3 होतं आणि +3च्या विरुद्ध minus 3. We have to subtract 3 from both sides. Here 3 minus 3, 0. X plus 0 is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. Means x is equal to 4. आणि 4 हे या इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन आहे. or the value of letter x means 4 is called solution of a equation. जे उत्तर येतं. तर आता हे इक्वेशन कसं सोडवलं मी, तर डाव्या बाजूला जी संख्या दिलेली होती, जी क्रिया दिलेली होती, त्याच्या विरुद्ध क्रिया दोन्ही बाजूतून मी केली. मग ती क्रिया येत होती सबट्रॅक्शनची, म्हणून सेम नंबर मी दोन्ही बाजूतून सबट्रॅक्ट केला. इथं लिहिलंय बघा, सबट्रॅक्टिंग 3 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स. आणि तसं केल्यामुळं इथं फक्त x राहिलं आणि x ची राईट साइडला आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. मीन्स दिस इज अ सोल्युशन ऑफ इक्वेशन. नाउ अगेन सी द नेक्स्ट. हियर द एक्झाम्पल x प्लस 190 इज इक्वल टू 300. आता इथं लेफ्ट साइडला बघा, वी सी द addition of 190. The opposite of 190 is subtracting 190 from both sides. 190 minus 190, 0. 300 subtract 190, we get the 110 as a solution of the equation or value of the x. Means when we see the left side and both side, we have to just take a opposite operation and do this opposite operation to left side and both side both. And when we solve these operations, we get the answer of the equation or solution of the equation. Next, see here in this page, we also have another examples of an equation. First of all, here, see here, Jasmine, this is a word problem. Jasmine has some money. Mother gave 7 rupees to Jasmine. Jasmine now has 10 rupees. How much did she have start with? Means आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, तर इथं पहा, Jasmine has some money. Mother gave her 7 rupees. म्हणजेच means Jasmine already have some money and mother gave her 7 rupees extra. Now when mother gave her 7 rupees, she has 10 rupees. And we have to find out the how much did she have to start with. And for that we use letter Y. In the start she has the money of Y and her mother gave her 7 rupees. And when mother gave her 7 rupees, she has 10 rupees. Means we make an equation. आपण इथं इक्वेशन तयार केलं. कसं, अगोदर तिच्याकडं we have to find out the start amount. अगोदरची आपल्याला रक्कम शोधायची होती. मग त्याच्याबद्दल आपण इथं लेटर Y वापरलं. Always use letter for what we find out from the word problem. जे शोधायचं असतं की नाही त्याच्यासाठी अक्षर लिहायचं हे लक्षात घ्या. Here we have to find out the start amount and for that start amount we use letter Y. Mother gave her 7 rupees and when mother gave her 7 rupees, the first amount and the second amount, then she have or she has 10 rupees as altogether. And for that I use addition for total amount. ओके, असं वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम वाचल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कोणतं ऑपरेशन आपण वापरावं हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. हियर द फर्स्ट अमाउंट अँड द आफ्टर गिवन अमाउंट बाय मदर हे दोन्ही टोटल केल्यानंतर ही अमाउंट तिच्याकडे होणार आहे. हेन्स आय यूज द ॲडिशन टू लेफ्ट साइड. अँड वेन वी सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन वी गेट द अमाउंट ऑफ Y. And for that we use opposite operation of plus 7 and plus 7 opposite minus 7. We subtract the 7 from both sides. For Y plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7. 7 minus 7 0, y is equal to 3. Means the value of the y is 3, or the solution of the equation is 3. It means that Jasmine had 3 rupees to start with, or the first amount of the Jasmine is 3 rupees. Same way, see here, this is the another example. There are some pedas in the box. If some children are given 2 pedas to each, the pedas would be enough for 20 children. How many pedas are there in the box? Means if we use 2 pedas for per children, we have enough pedas for 20 children. We have to find out the number of pedas in the box, and for that we use letter P. And for that we have to use divide. Why we use divide? Because we have to find out many to 1. Many to 1. And when we find out many to 1, we use subtraction. We here find out the P. Hence, P divided by 2 is equal to 20. Why? Because the number of pedas is called P, and that pedas we use 2 of each to each children, and 20 children are completed from the number of P. Hence, we divided P by 2. And for that solve of the right side and left side, we use opposite operation of this 2. 2 is divided, and opposite operation. Hence, we multiply 2 to both sides. P upon 2 is equal, P upon 2 is into 2 is equal to 20 into 2. P is equal to 40. Means the total number of pedas is 40. Now students, we have to try to solve the practice set number 27. Okay. See here, the question number 1. Rewrite the following using a letter. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथं अक्षर वापरून इक्वेशन बनवायचं आहे. The sum of a certain number and 3. The sum of certain number means we have to use letter for that certain number. I here use letter A. This is the certain number, and the sum means addition. A plus 3. This is a equation of the first given information. Now next, the difference, and difference means subtraction. The difference obtained by 11 from another number. We use letter for that another number, and when we subtract 11 from that another number, we have to get the difference. Hence, I use here letter P. P minus 11 is the equation of the second information. The product of 50 and another number. Product means multiplication. We here use letter L as another number. And the product of 15 and another number means 15 into L, or L into 15 means 15L. इथं जरी काय नसलं तरी त्याच्यामध्ये गुणाकाराचं चिन्ह असतं म्हणून असं लिहायचं आहे. 15 into L, we have to write like this, 15L. Okay, the last 4 times of a number is 24. 4 times means multiplication, and we have to use letter for a number. I here use letter S. S into 4 is equal to 24. Means same way 4S is equal to 24. Okay. Next, question number 2. Find out the operation must be done on both sides of these equations in order to solve them. We have to try to solve the equations. First equation, x plus 9 is equal to 11. We have to take opposite operation of the plus 9. Here x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 11 minus 9. Same way, x is equal to 11 minus 9, 2. 2 as a value or solution of a equation. Again, second equation, x minus 4 is equal to 9. We have to take opposite operation of minus 4. Opposite operation is minus 4 plus 4. We have to add 4 to both sides. Minus 4 plus 4 is a 0. Hence, x is equal to 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Same way, x is equal to 13 means 13 is the solution of a second equation. Next, 8x is equal to 24. 8 and x, there is a multiplication. Hence, we use divide both sides by 8. 8x divided by 8 is equal to 24 divided by 8. X is equal to 3. Means the solution of the third equation is 3. Now next, x upon 6 is equal to 3. We have to take opposite operation. Opposite operation is multiplying 6 to both sides. X upon 6 into 6 is equal to 3 into 6. X is equal to 18. This is the answer of the solution number 4. Equation number 4. Now here in the given question number 3, we have to find out the given number is a solution of that equation or not. First, y minus 3 is equal to 11. Y is 3. If we use the value of the later, we have to get the balanced equation. If there is no balance, the value is incorrect. Hence, we use no. Already we get the answer. We solve the second equation. 17 is equal to n plus 7 and the given value is 10. We use 10 here. Now, left side is 17 and right side also 10 plus 7 means 17. The balanced equation is there. Hence, 10 is the correct value of n. We use here S. Second, 30 plus 5x. Given value is 6. We use 6 here. We multiply the both numbers. 5 into 6, 30. Means left side is 30 and right side is 30. Means x plus x is equal to 6 is correct value. We use S. Again, 7. When we divide 7 by 2, we did not get the answer as a 14. Hence, this is wrong value. We use no as answer. Next, solve the following equations. Here, we take minus 5. Opposite means we add 5 to both sides. Y minus 5 is equal to 1. Means y minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. Y is equal to 6. Why? Because 5 minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Y is equal to 6. This is the answer of first equation. And the answer of seventh equation, or the answer of, we solve this third equation. See here, 4x is equal to 52. We use opposite operation. Here is a multiplication. We use divide. 4x divided by 4. 52 divided by 4. 4 4, only x is remain here, 4 x is equal to 13. Now next, m minus 5 is equal to minus 12, means we add 5 to both sides. M minus 5 plus 5 is equal to minus 12 plus 5, 550. M is equal to, when we one number is minus and one number is plus, there is a minus, hence minus 7 is the solution of the equation number 7. मुलांनो फक्त विरुद्ध संख्येवरील क्रिया वापरा, तुमचं उत्तर येईल. आता हे एक आपण वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम सोडवूया आणि आपण थांबूया. सी हियर द राईट हर्बा ओन्स सम शिप्स. हर्बाकडे काही शिप्स होत्या. आफ्टर सेलिंग 34 ऑफ देम इन द मार्केट, he still has 176 ships. How many sheep did Harba have at first? When he sold 34, he remained 176, means we have to find out the first number of the ships, and for that we use letter x. This is the first number of ships, and he sold of them 34, means we have to subtract 34 from the first number of the ships and then remain only 176. For the solution of an equation we use opposite number of or opposite operation of 34. Here x minus 34 plus 34 is equal to 176 plus 34. X minus 34 plus 34 is equal to, the answer is 0, hence x is equal to, we have to add the 34 210. This is the number of the first ships have Harba. Okay, here we student stops. आपण थांबूया. तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं? अशा विविध व्हिडिओंसाठी या YouTube चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा. मी त्याची लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये दिली आहे. थँक यू.